Hello everyone, this is Harini. A lot of people ask, why is it important to develop public speaking skill? How does it help us? Well, let's discuss today the benefits of developing public speaking skills. The first advantage it offers you is that it helps you boost your confidence. A lot of people have stage fright. There are a lot of us who are terrified of standing on the stage and talking. By developing public speaking skill, you overcome all these fears and insecurities, and as a result, your confidence also goes up. The second advantage it offers is advancement in your career. Public speaking skill development allows you to become a creative person and someone with good critical thinking. The third benefit it offers you is it helps you make social connections. Public speaking engagements allow you to meet different people with different ideas and opinions. As a result, you will be able to create a strong social engagement. The next advantage it offers is that it allows you to become a good listener. Listening is a lost art. But you know what? A good public speaker will always be a good listener. The last benefit that it offers you is leadership skill. Public speaking skill helps you become a very articulate person. Hence, you will not be insecure about giving your opinion or expressing your ideas to other people. Thank you so much.